Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm out on the lake with one of my buddies from college, so you might hear him or see him in the background. But we were just out for a fun day fishing, enjoying the weather, and I ended up getting on a couple, so stay tuned for the action.
Oh, that's a good one. That's like a 3-pounder. All right, guys, first fish of the day. Got him on the drop shot. Came in right over 2.5 pounds. Let's get back in there. All right, guys, that was my first fish of the day. Caught him on the drop shot. I'm just fishing up shallow along some grass here. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna keep doing that and see if we can't figure these guys out and get on another one.
First on this thing, so I'm gonna cut you off here real quick.
Oh, got another one.
Oh, never mind.
That's a bigger one. That's a big one.
Trying to get out of your way.
No, my drag was just loose. Not as big. Number 2. All right, guys, number 2. He's got a bloody tail on him. But number 2 on the day. Another one on the drop shot. Got one. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Stay down. That's another good one, guys, right there. Not as good as I thought, but still a decent one. Probably 2-pounder. Pound and a half. Alright, guys, there's number 3 on the day. Probably about a pound and a half. Another solid fish. Got him on the drop shot. Let's get a couple more. Alright, guys, that was my 3rd fish of the day. I've been out here for a little over 3 hours. Just been working this drop shot along the grass edge. I caught that one here off of a point. My first 2 I caught were actually back in a little pocket, but I'm just picking apart the grass line right on the edge. I don't have my fish finder with me today. I mean, I have it with me, but my ground wire came loose from my battery, and I don't have the tools I need to fix it with me. So I'm running no fish finder today, so I don't know how deep I am. But I'm using my drop shot. I'm just finding the edge of the grass and just working it right along the edge of the grass. So let's see if we can't get 2 more and get a limit. Oh, got another one. Got him. Another decent one. Not too big. Another solid fish. Hooked good right in the top. Alright guys, number 4, fat guy. Solid one, nice fish. Another one on the drop shot. Oh, I think I got one. Swimming with it. Yep, got one. There's my limit, guys, number 5. Loosen up the drag a little bit. Another decent one. It's not huge, but definitely a solid fish. Looks to be like another 2.5 pounder. Oh yeah, another solid fish. Stay down, buddy. There he is, guys. Number 5. Another solid fish. I mean, it's been tough, but all the bites I've gotten have been solid fish. No super dinks or anything like that. I mean, they've all been healthy, pretty solid fish. Can't complain about that. Another healthy bass, summertime bass there on the drop shot. It's number 5, got my limit. So let's see if we can upgrade a couple of these guys. But like I said, I mean, every fish I've had has been pretty solid fish. 1.5 to 2 pounds. So can't be mad at that. Let's get a couple more. All my fish today have come on the drop shot. I mean, if you guys have seen any of my other videos, I fished the drop shot a ton. It's definitely one of my top techniques, my go-to techniques I have the most confidence in. I throw it year round. I throw it almost every time I'm out, especially on this lake I'm at. There's a lot of cover and structure, a lot of grass, a lot of timber in the water. So you know, I rig it weaveless so it can come through pretty much all of that. And like I said, I've caught so many fish on it. It's one of my go-to techniques. I throw it almost every time I'm out, and I have 5 on it here today. and 5 decent ones at that. So I'm gonna keep throwing it. I've been out for 4 hours now. I have my limit. I'll probably stay out for another hour or so, see if I can upgrade, work my way back to the ramp, hit a couple more main lake points on my way back, and let's see if we can't upgrade a couple of these.